Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome to my channel, Mystical Ani. So, today we are going to do a reading on the guidance. Okay, if you are feeling stuck in any situation in your life or any phase of your life, or if you feel like your things are not moving ahead, so we'll see what is the guidance coming in from our angel and ancestors. So, I'm using my another deck here today. I don't know, I had a strong feeling that I should be using this deck. So, I have taken this up. So, let's see what is the message coming in here. Okay, we have a quick message. So it's Trump. So the message here is dream and journey. Okay, so this means the journey inward. Okay, sorry, there was a call. So sorry. So it means that this card basically means that you need to trust your insights. You need to trust your the messages which are coming your way. It can be in the form of dreams. Is there a particular dream which you are seeing again and again? Is there a particular sign you are seeing again and again? Sign can be like any numbers you are constantly coming across, any particular message people are seeing you, a particular quote you are reading here, and it's coming up on your phone, it's coming up on the screens anywhere. Some kind of sign which is repeating. Okay, it can be, for most of you I'm getting, it can be in a form of dream. Okay, you are seeing a particular ड्रीम अगेन एंड अगेन जिसका मैसेज सेम आ रहा है. ओके, सो इट्स नॉट जस्ट योर इमेजिनेशन, इट्स समथिंग यू नीड टू फोकस ऑन एंड decode and see how it can help you to grow in your journey or give you some insights so that you can move ahead more confidently in your on your path. Okay, so now here it's like it's a journey inwards. Okay, you don't have to look for the answer outside, rather you have to ask yourself what is that message or dream is trying to teach you or tell you, and that is how you need to uncover it and move with confidence. Okay, it's not imagination, it's not something you're thinking a lot or overthinking. No, just listen to your instinct. Okay, that will give you the sign. So that's the message for the day, guys. Please claim the positive energy from this reading if you have liked it, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, I request you to please subscribe to my channel for daily insights with the different tarot decks.